Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk to you about how you're going to need to focus like a laser beam in order to come out of the other side of this pandemic stronger than you entered it. Hey guys, it's Mike from your Virtual CTO. And what I want you to think about in this video is how you're going to focus so that you come out strong on the other side of this pandemic. Now, what's interesting about this pandemic situation is that we now have a level playing field because everyone is experiencing the same pain worldwide. It doesn't matter if you live in the United States or Great Britain. You're going through the exact same issues at the moment. That means that all businesses are on the same level. All businesses are on the same playing field. One isn't going to have an advantage over the other. But what I'm going to teach you today is going to give you an advantage that you didn't think you already had. What I want you to think about is that this is not a time to just sit back and relax. If that's what you're hoping for, think again. As an entrepreneur, I am sure that you're used to working a lot of hours. Well, don't change that right now. Put the time and effort in to get things done. Get a plan going for what's going to happen as you come out of this pandemic. Some of us are lucky and our businesses are continuing during this time, but some of us are not. It's especially important for those who are not, but it's also important for those of us who still are conducting business. Now, use the quarantine downtime to plan how you're going to come out stronger on the other side. Figure out what things you need to do during this pandemic to make sure that your brand is seen in a positive light. One of the things that I'm doing is I'm reaching out to people and letting them know that I'm here for them, and that if they need to talk about anything, if they need to vent, if they need a friend, I'm here for them. And I'm encouraging them to get in touch with me, and I'm going to spend my time doing that. It's important that your brand be seen as human-centered. That's really important. So, as I mentioned, planning. Planning is the key here. It's the key now and in the future. So I've put together a little free resource for you. Just go to getyourvirtualcto.com/planning and take advantage of that resource. And thanks for listening.